In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items in Monday.com quickly and simply. Monday.com is a powerful tool for project management, offering versatile ways to organize and connect your data. By linking items, you can create a seamless flow of information, keeping everything updated and interconnected. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to link your items. It's crucial to select the correct board since this is where all the linking magic will happen. Now, let's move on to the next step. To begin linking, you'll need to add the Connect Boards column. This feature is essential for linking different items. Look to the far right of your board and you'll notice a plus sign. Give that a click, a menu will appear and you'll want to select More Columns. A search option will be available and in there type Connect Boards. Once you see it in the list, click on Add to Board. This action sets up the necessary column that enables item linking. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which board you want to connect. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the board you want to link with. At this point, you have some flexibility. You can link items within the same board, which is useful for creating internal connections, or you can link items across different boards, facilitating broader project integrations. So, make your choice based on your project requirements. With the Connect Boards column now added, let's link those items together. Click inside one of the cells of the new column. This will allow you to choose the specific item or items you wish to link. As you select the items to connect, they will immediately appear inside the cell. This is a visual confirmation that your items are successfully linked and that everything is functioning correctly. By setting up these links, you create a dynamic interplay between your data sets on Monday.com. This feature makes it easier to access related information and streamline your workflow. Remember, linking items is not just about organization, it enhances team collaboration by ensuring that all members have the most current and cohesive data at their fingertips. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to link items in Monday.com, bringing more efficiency and integration to your projects. With this tool in your arsenal, managing complex workflows becomes much simpler. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of your Monday.com experience.